Everyone wants to know how to get HDs at university, and the way you go about getting those high distinctions depends entirely on the kind of degree you're studying. For the most part, you need to be able to play to your syllabus, work hard, and understand exactly what's required of you. If you have a syllabus outline or maybe something similar to a HSC syllabus, make sure you're ticking through it and making sure you're understanding every single aspect of it. Some degrees will have exams, some will have more practical tasks, and other ones will have assignments, or any combination of them. You need to be able to know what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses exactly like in the HSC. There's no denying it, you need to work hard. Most university courses will have something in the way of weekly readings, which is reading required of you before you start the week. Law is notorious for having really long and hefty readings. Some people will have them in textbooks, other subjects will be able to have them purely available online, and you have the choice of downloading them and printing them. It is important you read your readings if you want HDs, because it means before you come to class, you're really up to date with the content of what's going to be asked, and by the time you go to your tutorial with your teacher, you can bounce off them and say, hey, I didn't understand this, or I'm thinking about doing this part in my assignment, what do you think? So it's really about making sure you're up to date as time goes on, and it also saves you editing and reading 250 pages a week before your exam as well, trying to make notes off that. So it's about staying on top of it exactly like in the HSC. On top of that, you need to be able to look at what's required of you. If one assessment is worth 60% and 20% of it is how you reference and 10% of it is referring to the lectures, that's 30% simply for paying attention more or less. So you need to be able to play to your strengths. At university, your tutor is there to facilitate your learning. You need to be able to make use of so many free online resources or resources in your university library, and you need to be ready to work hard. Thank you for listening.